Hi, I am Mohan. In this session, let us solve some problems related to projectile, aeroplane and rocket which comes in module 5 of fluid mechanics. The problem is like this. A projectile is traveling in air having pressure and temperature as 8.829 Newton per centimeter square and minus 2 degrees Celsius. Pressure value and temperature value is given. T value is minus 2 degrees Celsius and pressure value is 8.829 Newton per centimeter square. If the Mach angle is 40 degree, Mach angle is given, that is alpha is 40 degree. Find the velocity of the projectile. We have to determine the value of V. Take K is equal to 1.4, that is adiabatic constant, and R value is 287 joule per kg Kelvin. Okay, before solving the problem, let us list the commonly used formulas in this chapter. The first formula is C is equal to root of K into R into T, where C is velocity of sound wave, K is adiabatic constant, R is universal gas constant, T is temperature. One more formula is sin alpha, that is Mach angle is equal to C by V, and one more is Mach number, that is M is equal to V by C. Okay, these are the three common formulas we are going to use to solve the problem in this chapter. Now, these are the given data. We have to find out the value of phi. How to find out the value of phi? Here the Mach angle is given, therefore I am going to choose this formula. Sin alpha is equal to C by V. Again, but C is unknown. First we have to calculate the value of C. C is equal to root of K into R into T. But see here, the temperature value is given in degrees Celsius. Convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin, that is minus 2 plus 273, which is equal to 271 Kelvin. Again, pressure value is given in Newton per centimeter square. Convert Newton per centimeter square to Newton per meter square. Just multiply by 10 power 4. 8.829 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. Now substitute. C is equal to root of K value is 1.4. R value is 287 joule per kg Kelvin. Temperature is 271. Now if we solve this, you will get C as 329.98 meter per second, which is approximately equal to 330 meter per second. This is velocity of sound. Velocity of sound. Now use this formula. Mach angle formula is given by sin alpha is equal to C by V. Here you have to calculate V. Therefore V is equal to C by sin alpha. C value is known, 330. What is sin alpha? Mach angle is given. Mach angle is 40 degree. Therefore sin 40. If you solve this equation, you will get V as 513 meter per second. Okay, this is the velocity of projectile which is traveling in air. Now let us solve one more problem of similar type. The problem is like this. An aeroplane is flying at an altitude of 15 km where the temperature is minus 50 degrees Celsius. The speed of the plane corresponds to Mach number of 1.6, assuming K is equal to 1.4 and R is 287 joule per kg Kelvin. For air, find the speed of the plane, and Mach angle. First write down the given data. Temperature is given. Temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Convert degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Minus 5 plus 273, which is equal to, this is 50, minus 50 plus 273, which is equal to 223 Kelvin, and Mach number is given, that is M is equal to 1.6. K value is given. K value is 1.4. R value, universal gas constant, is given, that is 287 joule per kg Kelvin. Find the speed of the plane. We have to calculate V and Mach angle alpha. Now again, as I said, we have three formulas. One is C is equal to root of KRT, and Mach angle is sin alpha is equal to C by V, and Mach number is equal to V by C. Now first let us calculate the value of C. C, velocity of the sound, is equal to root of K into R into T. C is equal to root of K is 1.4, R value is given 287, and temperature is given, that is 223. If you solve, you will get C as 229.33 meter per second. This is velocity of sound. Now, in order to calculate velocity of the aeroplane, choose this formula, Mach number formula. Mach number is equal to V by C. From this velocity of the aeroplane, V is equal to M into C. M, Mach number is given, that is 1.6, into C value is known, that is 229.33. Now calculate this. If solve, you will get 478.928 meter per second. This is velocity of aeroplane. Next we have to calculate Mach angle. Mach angle formula is C by V. Again, alpha is equal to sin inverse C by V. Now alpha is equal to sin inverse, what is C? C value is 229.33 divided by V is 478.928. If you solve this equation, you will get Mach angle as 38.68 degree. Thank you.